A rebel, a genius, a man who redefined our understanding of the universe. Albert Einstein wasn't just a scientist, he was a revolutionary thinker who changed the course of history. But how did a boy who struggled in school become one of the greatest minds of all time? This is his incredible life journey. Born on March 14, 1879 in Ulm, Germany, Albert Einstein's early life gave no hint of the genius he would become. His parents, Hermann and Pauline, were middle-class Germans. His father ran an electrical business and his mother had a love for music, something that Albert would carry with him throughout his life. As a child, Einstein was curious but reserved. One moment would change everything, a simple magnetic compass. He was fascinated by how the needle moved, seemingly by an invisible force. This, he later said, was his first glimpse into the mysteries of physics. Contrary to popular myth, Einstein wasn't a bad student, but he was rebellious. He despised the strict, authoritarian teaching style of German schools. Rote memorization bored him. He wanted to question, to explore. One teacher even told him, "You will never amount to anything." But Einstein had his own way of learning, reading books far beyond his years, teaching himself advanced mathematics by the age of 12. Frustrated with the rigid education system, Einstein dropped out at 16 and moved to Switzerland to attend a more progressive school. But even after graduation, life wasn't easy. He struggled to find a job, spending years working at a patent office in Bern. Some saw this as a dead-end job. For Einstein, it was a blessing. The quiet office gave him time to think, and in 1905, at just 26 years old, he changed physics forever. 1905 is known as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, his miracle year. In just 1 year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that reshaped science. Photoelectric effect proved that light behaves as both a particle and a wave, laying the foundation for quantum physics. Brownian motion confirmed the existence of atoms. Special relativity revolutionized our understanding of space and time. EMC2, the equation that showed energy and mass are interchangeable, leading to the future of nuclear power. With these papers, Einstein became a rising star in the scientific world, but his journey was just beginning. Einstein's theories challenged the greatest minds of his time. Some resisted, others were in awe. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize in physics, not for relativity, but for his work on the photoelectric effect. By now, he was a global celebrity. People saw him as more than a scientist. He was a symbol of curiosity, intellect, and human potential. But fame didn't shield him from danger. In the 1930s, as Adolf Hitler and the Nazis rose to power, Einstein, a Jewish scientist, became a target. He fled Germany and settled in the United States, taking a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. He never returned to Germany. His homeland had changed forever. Why? In 1939, fearing that Nazi Germany was developing nuclear weapons, Einstein signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. This letter led to the Manhattan Project and eventually the atomic bomb. But Einstein was a pacifist. He later called his involvement the greatest mistake of my life. He spent his final years advocating for peace and nuclear disarmament. Even in his later years, Einstein remained as curious as ever, searching for a unified theory of physics. Though he never found it, his ideas continue to inspire scientists today. On April 18, 1955, Albert Einstein passed away, but his ideas live on. His equations shape our understanding of the universe. His name is synonymous with genius. His journey, from a curious boy staring at a compass to a man who changed the world, reminds us that true genius isn't just about intelligence. It's about curiosity, perseverance, and never being afraid to challenge the impossible. If you found Einstein's journey inspiring, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. What do you think was Einstein's greatest contribution to science? Let us know in the comments.